How to change an account password in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged into WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to change an account password. You may need to change an account password if it's been forgotten, or if the customer wants it changed for security. Remember that you can tell a customer that they can change the password themselves from their cPanel, so you really should only need to use the WHM password modification tool if it's been forgotten and the customer cannot log into cPanel. Click the Account Functions link. Then click the Password Modification link. Select the account that needs a password change. Then enter a new password for the selected account, or click the Generate button to generate a new password. To confirm the password, either retype it or copy and paste it into the Confirm Password window. Make sure to save the new password for your records. When ready, click Change Password. That's it. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to change the password of any account in WHM.